What is that, Charlie?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar, yeah. What is he doing?
Going in the house?
Is he putting your hand there?
Yeah. Things go on there.
Do you want the caterpillar to go on your fingers?
No.
No, you don't.
Caterpillar go on your finger. Wants to go in the grass.
He wants to go in the grass.
Yeah.
Did you want to pick him up and put him in the grass? Girls, do you want to pick him up and put him in the grass?
Yeah.
Okay, pick him up. Be very gentle. Okay, go put him in the grass. Okay, put him down. Did you put him down?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Grasshopper.
Where's Mr. Grasshopper? I don't know where Mr. Grasshopper is.
In a tree.
He could be in a tree, yeah. All right, should we say bye? Say night-night to the caterpillar?
Night-night, caterpillar.
Okay, should we say night-night, grasshopper?
Night-night, grasshopper.
All right, let's go inside. Okay, pet him.
And the pup.
Okay.